Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. Hope you have seen my previous videos that is regarding the multiplication tricks. So in this video I am going to move on to next multiplication of 2-digit numbers which are nearest to 100. So among this I am going to take case 1. In case 1 both the numbers I am going to take less than 100 and they are also nearest to 100. So if you consider 87 into 99, so when you subtract 13 from 100, you will be getting 87. And when you subtract 1 from 100, you will be getting 99. So whatever is less than 100, you write below 87. So 87 you write minus 13. And below 99 you write it minus 1. Because 87 plus 13 is 100 and 99 plus 1 is 100. Since it is less than, I am writing minus 13 and minus 1. So what is step 1? Step 1 is to you have to do the calculation 87 minus 1 which is equal to 86, or else you can also do 99 minus 13 which is also equal to 86. Among these two you can do any one operation. Step 2 is you have to multiply these two differences, that is minus 13 into minus 1 which is equal to 13. Now my answer is, first you write 86, next you write 13. Hope you found interesting. Is it not an easy multiplication? Okay, let us proceed to the next sum. 96 multiplied by 84. 100 minus 4 is equal to 96 and 100 minus 16 is equal to 84. So first step, let me write the differences. So below 96 I will be writing minus 4 and below 84 I will be writing minus 6. Now I am going to do the quick operation as I shown the steps in the first one. So 96 minus 16 will be equal to 80. So 96 minus 16 is equal to 80. And in step 2, I will be multiplying minus 4 into minus 16 which is equal to 64. So my answer is 8064. Moving on to the next sum, 89 minus 9 multiplied by 97. So 100 minus 11 is 89 and 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. So let me write the differences below that number. So 89, below 89 I will be writing minus 1. Minus 11, as I said, since they are less than, I am going to put the minus sign. And here minus 3. So let me proceed the steps. As you know, step 1. Step 1 is 89 minus 3. So 89 minus 3 is equal to 86. And step 2 is minus 11 multiplied by minus 3 which is equal to 33. So my answer is, so what is my answer? My answer is 86 and 33. So 8633. Hope you feel interesting. Yes, let us move on to the next sum. So it is, let us take the sum 91 multiplied by 98. Now I am going to do it quickly. You know 100 minus 9 is 91. So I will write minus 9 here. And 100 minus 2 is 98. So I am going to write minus 2. Now I am going to do the calculation very quickly. 91 minus 2 is 89. And 9 to minus 9 into minus 2 is 18. So my answer is 8918. One more sum. 93 multiplied by 97. 93 multiplied by 97. Let us do quickly. 100 minus 93 is, let me write minus 7 here. And 97, 100 minus 97 is minus 3. So, first step is to do the subtraction. 93 minus 3 is 90 and minus 7 into minus 3 is 21. So in this way, first two steps I explained for you along with the steps, and last two sums I am doing it quickly, just orally. So let us proceed to case 2. Now in case 2, both the numbers are more than 100. First number is 102. So 100 plus 2 is 102 and second number is 104. 100 plus 4 is equal to 104. So just like in previous steps, let us write the differences over here. 200 plus 2. So I will write 2 below 102 and 4 below 104. So the first step is to add 102 plus 104. So 102 plus 104 and here 2 4s are 8. So I will be writing 08. So it is 106 8. So let us proceed to the next one. So 100 plus 4 is equal to 104 and 100 plus 7 is equal to 107. So let me write the differences here, 4 and here 7. So now first step is to add 104 plus 7 and second step you have to multiply plus 4 into plus 7 is 28. So 104 plus 107 is 111 and this 28. So my answer is 11128. Hope you feel interesting and quick also. You are able to do the calculations very quickly. So let me write it directly now. So 100 plus 3 is 103. So I'll write 3 over here. And here 100 plus 6 is 106. So I'll write 6. Now let me do the calculation directly. 103 plus 6 is 109. In second, 6 3s are 18. So my answer is 10918. So let us do quickly. 100 plus 7 is 107, 7 here, and 100 plus 5 is 105. So I'll write 5 here. So now 107 plus 105 is 112 and 7 5s are 35. So my answer is 11235. 11235. Moving on to the next sum. 100 plus 1 is 101 and 100 plus 5 is 105. Now add these two. 101 plus 5 is 106 and here 1 into 5 is 5. We'll write 05. So my answer is 10605. So this is a case number 2 where both the numbers are more than 100 and they are nearest to 100. Now let us see case 3 where one number is less than 100 and the second number is more than 100. Going to see case 3, combination of less and more. 98 multiplied by 103. 100 minus 2 is 98 and 100 plus 3 is 103. So I will write minus 2 and 3 over here. So 98 plus 3 will be equal to 1111, or also you can do 103 minus 2, that is also 111, and minus 2 into 3 is minus 06. So you will always be writing 2 digits. So I had to put 1 0. Now for doing this calculation, I will be putting 2 zeros since this is negative. So I will be putting 111, add 2 zeros and then subtract 6 over here. So when I subtract, I am getting 10094. So let me do another sum for you. For second one, 101 multiplied by 96. So now 100 plus 1 is 101 and here 100 minus 4 is 96. So first step is to do 101 minus 4. So 101 minus 4 is equal to 97 and 1. So you will be writing 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. So as I said earlier, since it is minus, first I had to write this 97 as 9700 and subtract minus 4. So my answer will be 9696. Let me give you another example. 102 multiplied by 95. Now 100 plus 2 is 102 and 100 minus 5 is 95. So you write minus 5. So next step, 102 minus 5 is 97. And here it is 10 into minus 5 is minus 10. So since this is minus, I had to write this as 9700 minus 10, which is equal to 9690. Hope you have understood all the three cases very nicely. Let us move on to the next trick where we are going to multiply two numbers and the difference between the two numbers can be even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, etc. In the previous video, I explained how to multiply two numbers when the difference is 2. Now let me explain how to multiply two numbers when the difference is 4 and 6, and by this you can generalize the multiplication also. Even this by learning this, you can generalize the fact when the difference is 8, 10, etc. Now let us take the number 15 multiplied by 19. So you can observe 19 minus 15 is equal to 4. That is, the difference is 4. So as usual, step 1 will be you have to find the middle number. So middle number is equal to 17. Step 2 will be square of 17, which is equal to 17 multiplied by 17 equal to 289. And step 3 will be you have to subtract 2 square. So when the difference was 2, you subtracted 1 square. So when the difference is 4, you will be subtracting 2 square. And when the difference is 6, you will be subtracting 3 square. This process goes on. So this is equal to 289 minus 4 is equal to 285. Let us see one more example. 26 multiplied by 30. 30 minus 26 is equal to 4. So step 1, middle number is 28. Step 2, square of 28, which is equal to 28 minus multiplied by 28 is equal to 784. And step 3 will be 784 minus 2 square, which is equal to 784 minus 4 will be equal to 780. So you can also check by traditional method of multiplying whether you are getting the answer correctly. Now let me do with one more sum. See 1. 17 multiplied by 21. 21 minus 17 is equal to 4. Difference is 4. Step 1 will be middle number. So middle number is equal to 19. Step 2 is to square the middle number. So square of 19 is equal to 19 multiplied by 19, which is equal to 361. And step 3 will be equal to 361 minus 2 square. So that is equal to 361 minus 4, which gives me 357. You can also do the traditional method and find out the answer for 17 into 21. So the last sum, 24 multiplied by 28. 28 minus 24 is equal to 4. So step 1 will be equal to find the middle number. Middle number is equal to 26. Step 2 will be square of 26, which is equal to 26 multiplied by 26 gives me 676. Step 3 will be subtract 2 square from 676, that is 676 minus 4, which gives me 672. So this is the method to multiply two numbers when the difference is 4. So let us see some other example where the difference is 6. On to case 2, where the difference between the two numbers is 6. 12 into 18. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. So step 1, middle number. Middle number is 15. Step 2, square of 15, which is equal to 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. And step 3 will be 225 minus, here we have to subtract 3 square. So which is equal to 225 minus 9 will be equal to 216. Now let us move on to another sum. 20 multiplied by 26. So 20 multiplied by 26, you can see the difference is, that is 26 minus 20. Every time you check the difference. So 26 minus 20 is equal to 6. Step 1 will be middle number. So middle number is equal to 23. Step 2 will be square of 23, which is equal to 23 multiplied by 23 gives me 529. And step 3 will be 529 minus 3 square, that is equal to 529 minus 9 gives me 520. 11 into 17. 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. So first step, middle number. So middle number is equal to 14. Step 2, square of 14, which is equal to 14 multiplied by 14 gives me 196. Step 3, 196 minus 3 square is 9, which is equal to 187. Moving on to the next sum, 18 multiplied by 24. 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. Step 1, middle number. So middle number is equal to 21. Step 2, square of 21 is 441. 441 minus 9 is equal to 432. So if you know the steps, you can do it very quickly. Instead of writing step 1, step 2, step 3, you can calculate it in your mind. First you choose the middle number 21. Square of 21 is 441. Since the difference is 6, 441 minus 9 is 432. So first you have to remember these points. When the difference is 1, difference is 2, you have to subtract 1 square. Difference is 4, subtract 2 square. And difference is 6, subtract 3 square. Difference is 8, subtract 4 square. So this is the generalized method. By seeing these, you can do it for other numbers also, where the difference is 6, where the difference is 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. Want to trick number 3, that is a quick multiplication. Generally students learn right from 2 table to 10 table very quickly, but after that they feel little bit difficult. To make the multiplication simpler, I am going to say you one trick where we have case 1, we are going to see case 1, where we are going to take the numbers between 11 to 19, and these numbers we are going to multiply by a 1-digit number. So this we are not going to use any paper pen, we are going to multiply these numbers in your mind only. 12 6 are, if they don't know the table, quickly they can do 12 6 are, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Let them write 2 over here and write the carry above 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next one, 6 9s are 54. So let them write the carry above 9. 9 5 is 14. Moving on to the third sum, 9 7s are 63. Write the carry above 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Next, 6 4s are 24. Write the carry above 4, 64. Next, 8 7s are 56. Write the carry above 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Next, 8 8s are 64. Write the carry above 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 6 2s are 12. Write the carry above 6. So it is 72. So in this way they can calculate it in their mind very easily. Even though they don't know the table 16 table, 19 table, 17 table, etc. If they are going to write like this and multiply, they can do it very easily in their mind also. Now let us move on to case number 2, where a 2-digit is multiplied by another 2-digit. So first one will be 12 into 14. So first step is you had to multiply 2 into 4, 8, and here I am going to add 12 plus 4. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So my answer is 168. Second one, 13 into 12. So here you have to multiply, here you have to add. So 3 2s are, so you multiply. So before the slash you write 6, and here you add 13 plus 2. So 13 plus 2 is 15. So my answer is 156. Moving on to the third one, 14 into 13. So first you do 4 into 3, it is 12, and here 14 plus 3. So 14 plus 3 is 17, but you are able to observe here you are having a carry. So you plus it, so which is equal to 182. Fourth one, 16 multiplied by 17. So 6 7s are 42, and 16 plus 7 is 23. So now add the carry 4 to 3. So which will be equal to 272. Fifth one, 18 into 13. 8 3s are 24. Now 18 plus 3 will be equal to 21. See, you have to add the carry. So it is equal to 234. Sixth one, 19 into 19, which is equal to 9 9s are 81. 19 plus 9 is equal to 28. Now add the carry, which is equal to 361. Final one, last sum. 18 into 19. So this is equal to 8 9s are 72 and 18 plus 9 is 27. Now after adding the carry I am getting 342. Hope you like both this trick, that is case 1 and case 2. So even though if you don't know the tables above 10, these methods can be applied to do the calculation very faster and quicker. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the channel.